Today is Tuesday. It's February the 12th, and this is my recap for today. And it has been a very interesting day, and it has been a challenging day. SPY gapped up and ran ever since. We're now approaching the 200-day line at 274-ish. Well, and today I traded probably 8 to 14 trades. I'm not aware right now. I have to count them tomorrow morning, but I'm done with my execution. I hit my execution limit, which was 30 allows me to do 30 executions per day. And none of my trades worked out today. Actually, I really hit a 0 out of whatever, like 10, and that hasn't happened like in, I don't know, maybe 1.5 years, 2 years. I mean, usually you have like one trade that gives you some profits, but today it was, I don't know. It's I traded EA several times, but as you can see, it didn't work out. I went long on the break of 103.50, took a profit, stopped out. Tried again, stopped out. Tried again, added, stopped out, as there was no follow through. I mean, it was just dying out. And I was lucky it got filled here, to be honest. I hit the bid on both times, as there was no fill on the ask. I usually put out an ask and see if I get filled to see strength, even if it's like a quarter position, or to close a quarter position on the ask, just to see how strong is the market. Are we moving? Do I get filled immediately, or is my order just sitting there and we are trading like in between the bid and the ask, in between the inside market? So there was no fill, so I just took it off immediately, and you can see it just chopped around here a bit. Then I saw this 150 hold, and so I kind of tried again with 150, but it kind of worked, but it was just tiny size, and it brought me back to break even. Then I tried again here on a pullback. I thought, okay, now like we make. Hold on a second. So I really thought this might work, as we put in a low, and a higher low here. And I thought, okay, if I don't take this one, I might get it on a pullback, and we pulled below 150. It just dropped like just seconds before the candle closed, so I was a little too early. The correct ad would have been here in that direction, but that didn't happen, so I just stuck to it. I was so, as I said, like and I watched it. I retested EMA 9, and eventually I took it off break even here, and like I tried to jump back in and stopped out, and it was just a mess, and it just continued to trade like this, or I did, and really traded crappy today. I mean, look at NVDA. Like I missed the open. I didn't trust it. There was no clean entry for on the backside here, so that wasn't clean. I could have taken this spike into, but I didn't trust it. Because the market was so strong, so I figured it might move higher. And actually, I kind of expect the breakout into the afternoon, so depending on how we do at the 274 level on the SPY. So I didn't take this entry, but I watched it and I saw it flag. But I don't like to take trades here in these going into the EMA and VWAP. So when I saw it retest like this 150 area, which we tested here, and respected here earlier, I got interested, and I took a stab here. Didn't work out, stopped out, tried again here, and stopped out by the cent until it started to move. And here finally I tried to break down, and of course it was just a fake down. I just stopped out half, then it dropped down 3 or 4 cents in my direction. I just took it off. I thought, like, if you don't want it today, don't. Then I traded Netflix, and it was a bit early on my first trade when we got in 353. There was no clean entry signal, and I just wanted to build up a position. Then we didn't trade up to the level I had at 355, and so we tested. On the way back, I took it off break even. Niche, yeah, was I think with the slippage I was break even, was okay. And here on the retest, I saw weakness. I saw the lower highs and tried again. And here I got out again. And then I tried the retest. We really struggled with 354.50 today, and so when I saw it come back down, I took another short, and I'm sticking with it. I'm still in it, and it's really driving me nuts as it's not working out. There's no follow through. The market is too strong. I'm just not willing to take the trade off, as I added some losses. I added up some losses, and what is happening with this tool? I really didn't take an add here as it was too close to my entry here, 355, and 355 gave plenty of opportunities to add to this trade, and I just didn't, as Netflix is trading very, very slow. Did not take this entry either, and kind of I had my target at 353. 02 or 3, and my order wasn't hit, so I missed it by like 1 cent. So not my day. I still have I don't have an active order right now, but that's still my target, 353. But I figure once we break 353, we will drop to 352.50 and VWAP, and that's what my target is at, and I really want to see it for the whole 2 points, and I'm not gonna take off the position. I'm not gonna take any partials until then. So yeah, let's see how that works out. Don't have a stop in it either, even though my stop would be at 355.50, or like above here. And yeah, I don't have an active stop here. I see if it, in case we trade there, gonna see SPY just testing 274, and looks like it's gonna roll over. And yeah, let's just see how it plays out. Eventually I'm gonna take off the trade tonight, but yeah, for the moment I'm gonna stick with it. Oh, my next target is, or next pivot up here on Netflix is 357, so there's some room, and it was the high of a couple days ago, and yeah, let's see how it works out. I'm gonna watch it and be patient with it.